What's up everyone, welcome back to Workshop Rebuild. It's been quite some time now, but we're back on the Bolens, so stay tuned. I'm finally outside with the Bolens. It looks amazing in its new colors, especially outside in the sunlight. It is white, black, and it turned out really well. I did go on and attach the front assembly for the front blade. The blade isn't on there yet, but I do have all the linkage and everything assembled. And what I'm going to do today is start this machine up that you can hear it for the first time after the rebuild, and we're going to take it for a spin, and later on I'll explain exactly in detail what I did to this, so stay tuned. I'm going to have to hook up the charger to it because I do not have enough battery power since this is a used battery to start this machine. So without further ado, let's start it for the first time. you guys just saw, I was able to get the Bolens running, and I was able to drive it all the way out there and back. So I have a feeling it's running really well. I'm just going to check all the fluids just in case I need to top it off a little bit. But other than that, I'm really, really satisfied with what I was able to achieve. And this was a barn find, and possibly it hasn't been running for the past 20 years. That's how we found it. This Bolens is a really solid machine. It's 20 horsepower, weighs almost 500 kilograms, which is really, really heavy for a little garden tractor that nowadays almost weighs just about 200 kilograms. So this thing can do a lot of damage, and especially if I do hook up the front blade, it'll give you the option to push snow or push some light dirt. And in the back, I have the rototiller, so I can hook that up in summer and rototill the ground. I did say I'm going to go into detail on this Bolens right here, but I think the best way to do that would be to recap all 15 episodes and put it into one video, and I'll put that out after this video is out right here. So if any of you guys want to enjoy a long video, about 30 minutes or something like that, then please do so. I really want to give a huge shout out to everybody that helped me finding parts, decals, and things like that online. I did get decals from Maple Hunter Decals from Texas. I got another set of decals, which is from Sam from the US. I'll leave his link down below and his email. And other various pieces and parts that I did find on eBay, which was very convenient. And other than that, I think there wasn't much missing, which was really important. If you do find a machine that doesn't have a lot of parts, you're going to be scrambling for parts, which is a real hassle at the end of the day. But here, there wasn't too much missing, so I'm really happy with that. And I really appreciate for everybody tuning in on this series of the Bolens, and I really enjoy all the comments that you guys leave down below, and I hope you guys can enjoy this final product and tractor just as much as I do, because it sounds amazing, it runs amazing, and at the end of the day it also looks amazing. So big thumbs up to you guys, and thank you so much. What's up, everyone? I just want to give a huge shout out to Sam. He's the guy to go to if you need any Bolens parts. He sorted me out with some brackets and some decals that I didn't find elsewhere. And he sent me all these decals right here that I'm still going to have to attach to the Bolens. Some that I didn't find in any other kits, like this one right here that goes inside the hood. This is your regular maintenance guide, and all these other little parts right here. So huge shout out to him. I'll leave his link down below, his email. That's how I contacted him. Everything went really smooth, and just a huge thanks to you, Sam. If you guys are already at it, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And if you haven't seen the previous episodes of this series, I'll leave a link down below for each episode. So stay tuned for the next build.